Who are you going to find?
You're gonna go find a mermaid?
Go find your mermaid.
Okay.
He seriously was gonna go find his mermaid. What's it called? Bro, your shoes are squishy now.
That's so recording. Oh my god. Do you want me to go find your mermaid?
I think I already did. That bitch pissed on me.
You still feel great.
Oh!
She's still in there waiting for you.
But guess what? Her top's not done.
Go get her! Go get her!
I'll come for you.
Oh God! Don't fall! Don't go! Don't.
Yes!
Don't do it. Let's get it in.